Reactions. 1 month. They will be first 2 weeks. The fee they starting. Who is Allah? Paul, I can't say if it's 4, our Ephesians chapter 4, verse 27 says, neither give place to the devil, or say about some a man of quine. Paul has some okay. The carbon somewhere about some go Nipper be a crab or some soup. It to Paul say a mabon some no quine.
Namoma upon some quine.
Or say man of quine. It is honor. Or to have say, you more about some now, Jenny. Now about some higher than when you and him. It is yes, dear, more about some now quine be because nipper be bria done one was on me and I'm so for that on me a day, on me a month and for. It will Yakupo say now why you one was 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 7 and to 9. That's it is some of one. I want me to know quarry. Now crab on some home. I can say to you Yamiasam no. Say no Yami Ayawa, meaning I kind. 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 7 to 9.
Timothy wọ́n tó sùn mí nù. Ètí mìẹ̀nsá inú ẹ̀nsán èkùsí ẹ̀kọ́ náà ẹ̀ka ẹ̀sẹ̀. Wọ́n náà wò sùn yàda. Wọ́n náà wò sùn yàda. Náà nsọ̀n wọ́n tún mi ehun nọ̀kúrọ̀ nídà.
Ọ̀sẹ̀ sáà pọ̀fọ́n bẹ́ sùn yà na nọ̀kwárí pàdé wàláhì ọ̀nù hù nọ̀kwárí dà kọ̀sọ́mà mi.
Na sẹ́bi ẹ̀nyá nẹ̀nẹ̀ nyàmbra ẹni Mose di ẹ̀sìyẹ nọ.
Ọ̀sẹ̀ sẹ́ni James and Jabres and Moses ADSC
Sarah na yenum so and nọkọrọ ni di.
Sana weyi num san performance nen onyame nọkwara asem no ADSC kosoma me.
Oye nipa a ona adwena aseye.
Oso won ba adwene aseye ka so adwene aseye so wabodam ana mebo a. Wa adwene aseye oso san ko won ba adwene aseye kosoma me.
Won fra odidie fam.
Na on fra odidie fam didie pa de onu ni bi kosoma me.
And for one call and impede.
And now one call and impede biara
on Jimmy Ebede.
Now Jimmy Ebede.
Nipping.
When nipping
and one dear no so.
Send you also Ediano Ayan. Ishlanka did that. It's Barbara some one day. Or says some for no papa the own moon. No Bayamo Obiera won Jimmy. Now you see a con years so you may have some. As I day. A Jimma. Iti Jimino ya den daddy fine minia wo ya disuo ni mu no ya babo audio bi mu shake ne ba ya lo ka say ya Bible ne say amaye fa bi nka ho ana ye yi bi nse ya den efimu na sa Bible ne ka sa e de na Bible no Bible no can sa o se Bible no ya papa na se Bible no e ka no kware a aya den ana Bible no say ya fa bi nka ho se ye nim se Yakobon asam aya no kware a aya den Yakobon pere am ya fa de e bi nka ho na mo bi tie se ne obo oka na asam no mo me ye nyina ye ntie okuno Zahiri Muslims 1504D book 20 hadith 10 minu akan awa hamame ana wabu akan wode no man
o say what has happened to the people that they lay down conditions which are not found in the book of Allah.
Jira ho o say eden de ha nkrofo no awon mo de hihye bi a eni ala womanimu ade baba share ala womanimu kosoma me.
And the condition which is not found in the book of Allah is invalid.
O say ye share biara obi ahoma bi a wa toro na eni ala womanimu no enimu Anabwa, Kosumame.
The book of Allah is more true than any other deed.
And I say, Allah woman, a woman be a no quality at Mubiala, Bagua. It says, a shake Amiati, I say, Allah on cano quality. Allah ya truni. So, what Allah was to book no. One per woman be a anchor home. Yet was it, so what cano quality now Allah non cano quality. Because wo book no say Allah say on pe book mma biara enka onnoa ne Quran no esa say no Quran no edimu nipa dia ode beka ho de dia on pe yen ye wo ha no ya na okotu quotation bi wo Artemidi book 47 hadith 2 say Allah say wo ababo utrima ka asem bi na enni Korea ni mu no ogira be yede e wa bonsam ejemu abi sani baba fi ase afi ya fa homa bi a enka Bible no ana enka Korea no afa enka Korea no ya yede ya fa som to be se mi bi se tie fu sheik no ane ala hwan ene ka no kware ti se we proof am ya wi se asam na wa hadith ni mu no eyentro no kware. It is a mutie in the second verse no say the gospel of Barnabas a book bia no kware edimu it book no dia ofie bi ade aturuse bia ede enu yabo nyamenua it will no ojetumu say the gospel of Barnabas a book ede edimu fine. When you call the gospel of Barnabas, we could yi 3 chapters. Now, the Israel say, Otia, Uncle Cambry, Uncle Young Wajima. Near Eddie Kano, Oko the gospel of Barnabas, or say, chapter 178, or say, heaven year 9. Quran say, heaven year 7. It says here, the gospel of Barnabas, or say, Edimu. And your truth and only truth. The way that the Quran is a false book. And I'm a what? Because 178 says heaven is 9. What's your no quarry? And the Quran also is 7. The way that the Quran cannot quarry. Shake the other was it. So I'm buying a children for Kangri. Tiamis 70 now call so. The other to you. Also Jesus. It's not the Messiah. Oko Surah chapter 2. Also, when we are receive from the bar, you to one. You be sorry, say, one Messiah na. And I say, David. I am not Messiah no. Na Messiah no of menim and I feel no oba. And on besides, and Messiah, your friend is also your best friend Muhammad. And the Quran also say Messiah no any Yesu. It has as a Quran so I then we didn't throw. It a menu a shake, Miss Row, Coca Bunny. Taco boy pay for me now. No, got was a Quran and some way a woman. I am not quite. Near 80 years, or say the gospel of Barnabas, Edimu. Now, the gospel of Barnabas, chapter 115, also a bearer and worry. Oba baako amane fa oba biom anka na yire no ho nkramofo ware amane bro baako obi ware 4 3 2 oko atababo niwa sanfo yamba se nkramofo gu ho sori da dim kan gbuni me se aware dia wan ware bia ono ho ya mabo no ayitu Mesre Sheikh, Mesra, Kokambri, what did I Kokatro, some Mukambri Sheikh, Alaji, Imam, Mama 1, 2, 3, 4, no, Babu Monsieur, because the gospel of Madame Moa. So, what to me and ya, also, why you are not a man? Because what will not quarry book? I want to Akuma in Ajatu say a book, Edimu, Babua. It is her, but the more assignment. mane mo pa bra New Day FM ha se ha na wo so be ya jima wa ha na do tre nkremofo yinara se kremoni bia wa ware amana abru tu no ayemunsuo the gospel of Barnabas amware ahe 1 okay
me pato gospel of Barnabas no sa baby a wose yen ware aye 1 no obetimi akan aman me pensa
ma tro ne layino na odie next week bekan baba family
obi a
na
wakoho
no wakoho
asema wo kan
ayada itina makotu baby the gospel of Barnabas there the ewo
okay
na chapter no this chapter 115
okay
it wo kwa no wakokan the last two
okay
paragraph no ewo
chapter 115 okay
the last two second paragraph no ewo
okay
monkan na eyambo a beba be kan no esa say time no nti
okay
ya na be kotu na wo so akwa be sa ma fo so sua de da bia o kan ma on sa na ya on mo de to ya na wa kotu ma on so wa management
okay
afi ya bawo the book of Luke check no be kan say we the book of Luke de wo me chemu kakra na ya sa abo ono ani voice no be say 1 month reaction it says you be 2 weeks so we share the book of Luke me ya kan Luke chapter 1 verse 1 to 3 na ya kan ya na ya chirem na fi ya ma ono ne chirem no ya chira ono ne chirem ama obi a den atie na masa ya wo ne yin ya ka se ya reaction ba ya say 3 months because something kan kwa no ya den o su bible no de kan wo mra onu se bible no ya recite me nu kan mame
Luke chapter 1 verse 1 to 2
verse 1 to 3 kan mame
kan say esan say ni fa pi afa ato wo ho so say obekire nsema aba wo yemu no
fa
ato aso
ko so mame
said the one na ofri fiti ase de won ani ehunu ye na wo so me asem no ho ede ma ye no nti
sha jira ho mame it help look past say nkofo bi a fiti ase no onu hu asam di hu adase esom asam no ama omodi asam ye de e ma yen osanyo onunko omodo so ne ye de ma won masa ko vesre no
tie fellow pa eye me se menso marihwe ni na mu pepepe
eye se menso marihwe ni na mu pepepe
e free fiti ase no me sure no maako me brewo
wa me hwa no maako me de brewo oni ana sheik this hey lugo ni na montere so ana obi se onyame asam yesu ho asam ana wa trase ahwehwe mu maako afitiri mu ehun se we ya no kwa aye we na yedi ka bisa hwan no mu ana mo ne yesu nante wa fiti ase na on di asam ho adase na on som asam no se ko John chapter 15 verse 26 to 27 minu akan mame
ahona kan se na ochijinafo a mesoma no ma bremo afri agya no nchen
yesu no kasa se no ochijinafo a mesoma no agya no ho media nchen na media bremo
no kra ho ho ma afri agya no
no pa ho no a afri agya no ho no
nchen reba no so onya ba
se onya ba
ono na obedi mu ho adanse
ono no obedi mu ho adanse
verse 27 na mo nso
mo
bedi adanse
ana mo so bedi adanse efri se
mo ka mo ho
awo fiti ase no ishaka wa dede da it wait say eya somafo dumienu ana yetu ne won efi na dwumadie no yede ase ide ho ne ba aba be ka wo ho na wa hye wonde na won adi adase awa asam no ho baba good iti we na nkebofo say sa ho kroko na ye Muhammad bo se Muhammad obato asomafo no awo Jerusalem wo mra ya wo no wo Mecca so obi a ya wo no wo Mecca ya ka Jerusalem asam a eyo no munu amom yanko iti adi asam na John ewoka ya hwe wo 1 John chapter 1 verse 1 to 3 na fi yes bia afi abɔ no audio no na yetie no no ɔkaeɛ no
deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ fiti aseɛ
na awɔ hɔ fiti aseɛ no
deɛ yɛateɛ
deɛ yɛateɛ no
deɛ de yɛn ni hu
deɛ de yɛn ni hu yasomafo na ɔkasa John
deɛ de yɛn ni ehu no
deɛ de yɛn ni ehu
deɛ yɛhwɛɛ
ne yɛhwɛɛ
na yɛde yɛn nsa
na ne yɛde yɛn nsa kaeɛ no
nkwa asɛm no ho
nkwa asɛm no
na nkwa no yi ne ho kyerɛ
nkwa no yi ne ho kyerɛ yɛn
na yehunu
yedi ho adanse
na yɛka daa nkwa a ɛne agya no hɔ na eyi ne ho kyerɛ yɛn no ho asɛm kyerɛ mo
kɔsoma
deɛ yɛhunu na yɛateɛ na yɛka kyerɛ mo
na yɛka kyerɛ mo kɔsoma me
na mo nso ne yɛn anya ayɔnkofa na yɛn ayɔnkofa no yɛne agya no ɛde ne ba Yesu Kristo no ɛna ɛwɔ
ehyia ka wurade die da eti wee kyerɛ sɛ asomafoɔ no edumienu nea ɔno hu yɛn no ɔmo de ma hwana no mu asuafoɔ no eti o sɛ Yesu ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ sɛ bɔbɔ nkorɔfo na etu amo nkyerɛkyerɛ wɔn ma hyɛdeɛ nyinara eti wee no ɛma Luke ɔne asomafoɔ edumienu no ɛna na ɔmo nante eti nsɛ bi a ɔmo wɔ ka no na obisabisa mu ɔyɛ sɛ Yesu no ɔyɛ agyenkwa a no wabisa na agyenkwa na afi yɛawo no wɔ hospital not oh baby na hospital baby ama no ɛwɔ no da wayɛ dɛn ayɛ mma eti yɛkɔwo no wɔ awɔhodan mu eti awɔhodan no mu a yɛkɔwo no na yɛde edwan eyi no mmoa eyi ɛde de daka yɛde no tu mu na ɔsɛ okay na watwerɛ na yɛsɛ Yesu mote ne ne ɛdɛ na mote ne ne mote Onyankopɔn ne so yehu sɛ abuburo ɛba na pampa mu ɛna ne no ɛba eti nsɛm no obisabisa mu saa na obiara wokɔtwerɛ asɛm a ɛfa obi ho a ɔbɛyɛ dɛn wobɛbisabisa nda yɛkyerɛ wo no na wote asa na wotwerɛ eti asomafo no twerɛ asɛm no direct from Christ ɛna yɛde ma wɔn a ɔmo edi wɔn akyi ɛna Theophilus ɛyɛ dɛn Luke ɛtwerɛ yɛkɔma ne yɔnko Theophilus nɔboa sɛ wɔsɔ gye nea esi ni sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wɔsɔ bɛyɛ ɛdɛn Kristoni menua yɛtie yɛ sheik no akɔyɛ fa so akyire mu yɛda yɛnuanom ase sɛ mo atie sɛnea ɔkaa no Luke no ɔno yɛnua no onim Luke no ana onim baabi a Luke ɛnya information no fi na information no tie ne yɛka ya Luke ya information no fi wɔn no asomafo dumienu no wɔ a wɔn mo de ɔno di asɛm no ho adase na maame ka sɛ bi nkyerɛ no mo a mo tie me nyinara sɛ wokɔ apam dada no mu a nkɔmhyɛfoɔ na ngɛsa obi wɔ hɔ Yakob yi bibi kyerɛ no a ɔwɔ ne secretary na waka asɛm no akyerɛ na secretary no ayɛ dɛn na watwerɛ ba sɛ bibi so ɛsa sɛ ɛyɛ ɔno ne Nyame yi asɛm no kyerɛ no ne mo Nyame yi kyerɛ saa kɔmhyɛni na ɔde ma ne secretary ɔsɛ book no yɛ baba mɔmyɛnka wɔ Jeremiah chapter 36 verse 1 to 32 no ne mo yɛbɛka verse 27 no wonya time a na waka ne nyinaa na Jeremiah chapter 36 verse 27 no kama no
ɔse
na
ɔhene ɛhye mobɔyɛ ne nsɛm a Baruk ɛtwerɛ firi Yeremia anum no akyi no
gyina hɔ ma me ɔse na ɔhene no ɛhye nwoma no a Baruk ɛtwerɛyɛ a Jeremia na ɔde yɛ dɛ ɔhyɛ no sɛ ɔyɛ dɛ ɔntwerɛ kɔsoma me
Awurade asɛm ba Yeremia nkyɛn sɛ sanu fa mobɔyɛ foforo na twerɛ aka ne nsɛm a ɛwɔ
so
ka ne mobɔyɛ
iti safa mobɔyɛ foforo na me de asɛm foforo me de asɛm yɛ maw na twerɛ hɔ na ɛtwerɛ Baruk iti sɛ ɔtwerɛ a ɔsɛ yɛ papa iti saa kwan no so ɛna Luke nso otie asɛm no fi asomafoɔ no hɔ wɔmra na ɔnkɔkɔ ɛbɔ ɔho ban ama asɛm no ankɔyɛ nipa asɛm ɛna Luke ɛyɛ dɛn ɛtwerɛyɛ sheik sɛ ɛnyɛ papa menua masɛ bisani mpra yi na nkɔmhyɛni Mohammed yahun wo Jerusalem yahun wo abosomsom ekuro Mecca 610 years ono do kotro Yesu ho asemo a ode de no kware wa ma meto asomafo bakumpo ma yentra yegire ha na ya de eva du twan ye de entufom when you are fan to be say America President Bush so America and ya so Uganda ha papa no kwaya ya fa so wo no wonim it one on wo ho no and on wonim and on ma tira kwaya fa so wo no when ya ba say bia when ya ba say 30 years and I be order no share politics mu order no share politics mu automatically on no na be there ebeko akoye meeting ya ko ha yes ha and no be the president akwa to ye na mamu no 8 years wa yama wa fiso and papa na wu to papa na wu no enkofu a one man ne nanti ya no eda so ye den e wo ho and obi wa America also person when ya papa no the details it you of course ankrofo no ho na ankrofo no amano details and wa tro ni nara bese bi say details na papa na papa good and the details no wo America awo mu abese 610 years obi ya yawo no Ghana ha anyase hotel fudi abuka sheik o se wo no de oba betro Bush no ho asem and on na market and obi se bisa and wa tro ne de o tro ya no and ne ya tro wa America no enya baako it is a huma mienu we no na ne de efe
America de
na me da wase it Mohammed no onno woni Jerusalem if Jerusalem eba Mecca ay about 3,000 kilometers besa Burkina Faso eba Ghana ha ana ezama na obi te ha na onko Burkina Faso na woso Burkina Faso asema obuku dia papa eto Korea no we na aname ba be pufu no Kwashani Mohammed wo ye ka wo Surah chapter 22 verse 52 when you are tobo ye ntumika Surah chapter
22 verse 52
52 kama me
or say never did we send a messenger or a prophet before you
or say ya suma kwashani biara awa wu Mohammed wenim kwasoma me
but when he did recite the revelation or narrated or spoke, Satan threw some falsehood in it. But Allah abolishes that which Satan throws in. The Allah establishes his revelation.
So, it was Mira Yadi and Son of Muhammad said, "Oh, yeah, the on Casano, on the site, no." And Satan added and throw some added Shana, Holy prophet. Ne maame ya abosonsum ne yen se anu na nsroma edare wo soro. Amu se abonsam ede asam na eden ahye na no wo de saachi. Enna ara troko no so wallahi. Oya mu komsheni. Enna ala ko yi nsam ni na eden efi ho. Muti asam ni yo. Iti ala Satan di asam ni she na no wo hu oje. Enna onam a wo de saati Satan nesam and I said no me question no meant trauma Satan there you so no muti asam you and abolish o yin sam here there if you ho it Allah the dey no here there man na mo me anhwe Surah chapter 7 verse 175 me dia kan ma me
and recite O Muhammad to them the story of him to whom we gave our ayat
sha horson betobo o say Muhammad ye no I just on nam o say asaba ye dia ma wo no asaba ye dia ma wo no ka kire won mo on mo ti ye de asam ye de e ma wo no ko so ma me
but he Muhammad threw them away
and Muhammad eje ala sam o tuni na gu ye
so Satan followed him up and he became of those who went astray
so I have to see to yabo Satan di asam no ma no oje And I said, no. Maybe papa, my pet Satan assembly our work of Jenny. It took up Jenny, the Memediano. Nafa come out of one. Or didn't the other mamma, but I am Mohammed tuning no good year, or so pay Alan Assam. It didn't have a Corano, Alan Assam back boy there. Anymore. It was not too good, and I said, I say, so, well, I guess I'm Mediano. And I said, I didn't, and oh, you know, feet a quano. It is wait to say Mohammed will feed Allah. Nequano. I'm a Satan there, a control no. And Allah says, on the table, my dear, not my tomb. With the Satan and found Yajuma. It is Satan that any unconscious Mohammed there. A year, Juma, it's a set. Allah the Nasa no man, why there, one fat. It is book no, I have no Kurano. Satan, listen, and there, a woman. Na ya hwe bebia komsheni Mohammed oya nesem ne bi eza ne Satan na ene ne nomiti na Satan so empe Yesu bebo a it is sama akutia Yesu na asem no na Satan ye de ema de kwan ema no choroye Yesu oye Yakobọ ba Yesu wanwu Yesu oye say ni nyina efri Allah ne efri wana efri Satan to the Quran. And yet Allah Nasam. It is Yakoto was Surah chapter 9, verse 1.
And among them are men who hate the Prophet Muhammad and say he is lending his ear to every news.
So
say he listens to what is best for you. He believes in Allah.
So what? It is someone Niokas and no say Allah someone. Na or say now what are not with the concerning Muhammad at you know. No, no person may the April, one more piano. As I say, Mohammed can say, Member Yama to say, 80 and some, no more near Aya Papano, and I'm the mammo. Although, some way, shaking to say, if you look in an oil. Look, you should know of as Marco do me and unto you. And I'm Mohammed, one num. If you feature, appetite bar, but Piana, we don't talk for 4 Asiano. I want to hear the audio formation. No, the audio formation or send ya aya papa no. No one abe. If we say aya papa no, and all the year there, or the man on crop no. But look at this. Book when our friends say or no, a book where action Bible. Yaman ya talk to me, no anchor. Surah chapter 8, verse 30 to 31.
And when the disbelievers plotted against you, Muhammad, to imprison you.
Yeah, what I want you to know, I want to say, almost quote you at watch if you say,
or to kill you,
or
to get you out from your home.
Yeah, you have to fear.
They were plotted, and Allah too was planning.
Yeah, it was not share, not Allah, they were shared that.
And Allah is the best of the planners.
Yes, Kosomame, verse 31.
Or say, and when our verse of the Quran are recited to them, they say, we have heard this Quran.
It was Muhammad Oka and some Quran Musa Mete on Mono. And I said, that's a message as a woo. Yatia,
if we wish, we can say the like of this.
What you hope Jai? No, what's something you're back in night there.
This is nothing but the tales of the ancients.
Or say, I will say, I can add it what to some, not that a man. On more akato one, and now come share ni Muhammad. Acquire at the mono, acquire at the fourth floor, acquire no quarry amawa water will go anymore. It could contain the tales of the ancients, and I'm a what. And you are to someone, not a good one, because I am evil spirit and a guardian commission. It is evil spirit to be out to Uchi Oyamiasam. It is some Trosamno and the Muhammad on who. That you no quarry. It won't. You know, I'm looking for no. I dare you no quarry. No, there I am mono and one. At the papa, I yet you are there and one. It was not a Timothy was on the you down on me then. One more ever no quarry no. When you are my maker saving child 1990 Papa be a ya from Rashid Solomon or your cramoni pa, nana mu ina ye gramofo. Wa bo kramo mu degree what basic was here at the akwatire na saa papa we no osua homa na akodu bebi do so nkremosum eya abosonsom onu ana papa no turo book no otro ya ne say edin a eda so ne say Quran is a satanic book papa ka sama to kan ana oma book no okolanchi book no UK nkremofo abo Europe and Arab peninsula all me na ko demonstration sa papa na kasa agukore anu fi eti yesi na abo nkunu Emma Iran president Ayatollah and the supreme leader Ayatollah votus gasa wo obetu yaku papa no or the sense kan be ma and UK for say bibi hamo mo niema na mo yan wa Arab countries no I had ya yes had no enti ye gadi papa no ya ma no happy bodyguard awu pia obetem to no ye bekun ya de book no court e ko fe book no mu a no sa se bi a o kan no e den or evidence and ya say mom na number e den mu be e den e defend sa mo se eye no kware a kamo ni bi eni wodi wo we a o to me bad book no e no no band book no se ya ma book no enya di ma book no na o ka kra obi a wotu ade bo sa asema ameka na eturu it ezu be se na 2000 mu no na fi krabafo did that Zeknak Shebli Ali Muhammad Hijab ni we mu started say on ma kase tie Kristo so atoto o ma na yesu yese say na say aye na ya tefi we mu wo no ana on mu say Christian e say e de mo book no ye de emra out book no ba out no mbabo audio next week mbabo audio ikrabafo you to this study we say Kristo na apply every 3 years we tell you 24% of Islamic youth are living Islam. Baba audio no ha. What fudi abaka wa say ikrebo so we here den. Usia de eti bola be enya le book no. O say wa bola so. Bola. Obiara nipa ba ko ndi ho a you have been inspired. Local people Mecca abosonsom anye Jerusalem say Jerusalem po a anke beka se Quran no po eden eye na Mecca na obi wo Jerusalem onye asoma bo dumienu enante ye atlo book what ono de ye papa na book ya to abosonsomfuo efie na Muhammad ane ma me ya bosonsom ni ya wono to bosonsom mu awon nimi ya me bia ana na mfitire bola so sesa nwoma wa so ya to the din Quran ono de ya the best than the Bible menu ya no se bo hu eto wu abu aten ye ka bo sum sin chai na Kristo sum chi sin chai ne nyina mo nitra na wa fo wa tene kwa asem we mu se asem na check ne be kan ye no e wo look no hu no wo twa nyansa asem pa ben de wo sa asem we mu na Bible ne say esa so mo ne nokwa no ekoti onyakupo na agya won na obetua na nokwa no ebe bo won se na Joso abo akoko ye ya ba no ma 4 na no be ka se ni wo Surah chapter 3 verse 137 am say ya mrenenti ya fo no si wa na ya nko the shop eyi na ya mebo a next week ye be ba be ye den ebe ba bedi ehunjuma it is like I say about audio no a ya mre no because I ha no be ka say college for no akontokwa wo Surah chapter 3 verse 137 to 141 no ehwa samisi Muhammad na numu asamwa anda sheki batra hasri kaka haruna yanko nim no aye uhud fo ntokwa na me no ni achijo because aso bia ndi bebi oya ne research ya de afaye koko Korean mu a uhud ebi wo wa ni ato bracket ni ato wo mu ebi wo ya ntro bi a ho it okọ the text fear ni mu ana okoko yi ensam ne se eye uhud ntokwa na Muhammad ya de atoma nkrofo no se onmo nko na ha sa menua se ya me no etia ye na ya mebo a Nameboa. Okay. Eti also Mohammed Mark for 50. And I'm quiet, and I'm quiet, no, I'm quoting in Kugu. It won't go to Kugu on my buyer. On my buyer, I think Allah I had the Asha one day. Now, what dear, Mr. Memory, oh dear, Baba, kind of one man. Now, your Baba audio next week, kind started the war. Kind man, started for no kind man. Mpasi I share war a many similar kind mammy. And I have about audio next week.
Many similar ways were faced by nations that have passed away before you. So travel through the earth and see what was the end of those who disbelieved. Verse 30. This Quran is a plan statement for mankind, a guidance and instruction to those who are mutaqun. So do not become weak. Do not become weak, nor beside, and you will be superior if you are indeed believers.
It will win him. No, I know. Okotu Mediano. And I can't talk about the blue 142. What can you do? Have pen or can send in the pants here? Would they say Aptana and Cano and Made Metro? Oh, him so or kind of one, I'm up with them who say, and yet Allah, it's yet the Metro. Catuazo statement, no. You have to also verse 142 to 142. You have had the son emblem you ever have.
If a wound has touched you, be sure a similar has touched.
So we pray we say we are also akosa sister muda.
And so are the days. We give to men by turns, that Allah may test those who believe.
Master Allah nekasawa.
No.
Allah nekasawa. Onim sa okenka ba wo 40 to 41 na mabo be hu say enye Allah. It will come do verse 139. And no close here. And no can say ni nipa do. O dey like we dey say after na time no ti na me ave and na o twa ho egua. It is hard to say or say na Allah be so mo atwe. Samu ya gidifo a. Allah no ka sa asem. So say when you go say that you. What throw that you. Me you atwa so ma me.
And that Allah may test those who believe, and that he may take matters from among you, and that Allah may test the believers and destroy the disbelievers. Do you think that you will enter paradise before Allah tests those of you who fall?
It will be a statement where you do Allah.
David.
It means you are no sumo. It will be said, ya quite armor audio no. Nayamabua ebebo audio no next week. Nayasha Surah chapter 3. Verse 137 to 141. Obiara wo Korea ni bi no. Mama part kan wo de no. Na go say aho enye Allah na nu mu asam a. Aye Muhammad na nu mu sam. Na ye bebo tefia no ye wi a. Afia de Surah chapter 3 verse 144 no. Wo tu be wo say contradiction. E wo no na asam no a okay no mu. Ye da me nuan ma se. Say amaye etie yen. Na yade adesuano ebesiga ya meniti nyame boa ebeto aso our next week ne ya ye actions amebo hu say ne sam bia oka wa mesa no no eya ntoro odane dane nsam no na ebe christian ma ko ama ko biele wu no kware a ewa atenu mo eti ejasa for amano eto na ma Sempano, Party.